Good evening. We're about to unbox a Matchmaker's Majin Vegeta Dragon Ball Z toy by Bandai. Here we go. Ooh, interesting. I did not know he was in pieces. Well, let's put them together. That is amazing. Look at that articulation. Majin Vegeta. Hey, what's in there? Yes. Here's the next one. This is the torso. And here's the torso. Okay, next, let's get the booty. The legs. And here we are. Reminds me of the Ginyu Force. Anyways, let's put them together. This is my first time doing this, so bear with me, y'all. Okay. That looks really cool. That looks really cool. Amazing. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Oh, here's the stand. We could take that off later. Comment down below what you think. Worth it or not worth it? You be the judge.